Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Lisa's Coloring Corner. Eclipse, Ajay Quinnell came out with a new Circulism Art Books. This one is called A Stroll Through Nature. So this is the front cover, the back cover with their standard color palette. So it gives you the colors are on the outside, the names of the colors on the inside. So I like how they do that. This is the version with the deluxe paper. They do also have a version with just their standard Amazon paper. I did purchase them once, or that one once, and found I really don't like that version. It is not in color at all, and this is just so easy to color on with both alcohol markers and water-based markers, so I always go for the better paper version. Inside you have another color palette. You can match up 2 coloring mediums in here. And then we get into the first picture. This is the one that's on the cover. We have all the colors down here. Again, I wish they would just put these in a list, because it has medium green, parentheses 3, comma, green, parentheses 4, comma. So, I mean, they do have them in order, but I think this is harder to read than if they would just list them over here. This book, as you will see as we flip through it, has circles that they're all the same size. A lot of, or most of, Eclipse Circulism art books have circles that are various sizes, so you'll have some real big, some real teeny, some medium. This book has all the circles the same size. Here we have a bird. Not sure. Is that a kangaroo? Kind of hard to tell. Maybe an octopus? I don't know. Here we have a duck. Can make out that one. So. Another bird. A dog. Or a wolf, one or the other. A rooster. So for the most part, you can make out the pictures. Must be a bear. Another bird. Is that maybe a pelican? A flamingo? Must be a hedgehog. Not sure about that one. Sorry for the glare. It is this shiny paper. Not sure about that one either. Must be another bird. That must be an owl. There's the pelican. So the other one must be a flamingo. Seahorse. Maybe a bull? Not sure. There's another bird. So lots of birds in here. Okay, and then we do have a blank sheet at the back. If you want to match up your colors on here, then maybe, write them in the front. One thing to keep in mind though, this is the deluxe paper. This sheet back here is just standard paper. I believe, no, maybe it's not, because it is really smooth. I was going to say, if it's standard paper, your color may be a little bit different than when you color it on here. So I don't know if that's the deluxe paper back here. It is smooth. See, this could feel different because of all the black ink. So it may be. Okay, anyhow, there you have it. Eclipse's newest book, Circulism Art Books, A Stroll with Nature. As usual, I will leave links down in the description below to both the deluxe and standard paper versions of this book. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this quick flip through. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to my channel. I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, and as always, happy coloring. Bye guys.